So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I simply want to go ahead and sharpen out this image. In that case, you can simply go around under effects, then go to sharpen, and then simply go ahead and sharpen this out. And then what happens is that the image gets sharpened up, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and change around the edge level as well to control the amount of sharpness, and change around the threshold of the sharpness as well, and making it more blunt or sharp, as you can see right here. You can also preserve out the colors, as you can see right here. If you were to disable the preserve colors, then as I go ahead and change around the edge level, you can see that there are different colors right here. But if I were to preserve the colors, you can see that the colors of these particular section actually changes out. So you can go ahead and change around the edge level according to how you want as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the sharpen effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.